Absolutely charming and meticulously maintained home on quarter-acre lot located in the desirable Chehalis School District. Featuring open concept floor plan, large bedrooms, oversized laundry, cute kitchen with built-ins and living room with a wood-burning fireplace. New recessed lighting, interior paint and doors, and newer roof. Huge backyard with a quiet patio and tons of privacy. Great location and beautifully maintained home at an affordable price. This allows an easy access to I-5, and within walking distance to schools, aquatic center, shops, restaurants, and parks.